Redeeming your Scene points for cash is very easy to do. Today I'm gonna show you how to do it. Scene points are primarily intended to be redeemed for movie tickets at Cineplex theaters. You can use your points to purchase movie tickets for yourself or others, allowing you to enjoy the latest films without spending cash. In addition to movie tickets, you can use your Scene points to purchase food and drink items at Cineplex concession stands. This can help you save money on snacks and refreshments during your movie-going experience. Cineplex occasionally offers merchandise and experiences that can be purchased with Scene points. These items may include movie memorabilia, gift cards, or special event tickets. Keep an eye on the Scene website or app for available redemption options. Scene points can be transferred to other loyalty programs, such as the Scotiabank Rewards Program or certain travel loyalty programs, where they may be redeemable for a variety of rewards, including cashback or travel credits. Check with the specific partner program for details on transferring points. Cineplex occasionally runs sweepstakes or contests where Scene points can be used to enter for a chance to win prizes. While this won't provide cash directly, it could result in winning valuable rewards.